Okay, so check this out. This toilet is a smart toilet. It has a sensor, it has a heated toilet seat, and a control center right here. All right, we just checked in. We just went up the elevator. We're in the Nobu Hotel in the middle of Caesars.
Did Caesar live here?
No.
I didn't think so.
We're about to go to our room. Swoop. So we're in the Nobu Hotel right now, which is kind of a secret hotel smack dab in the middle of Caesar's Palace. We just checked in. Shout out to the receptionist Jade, who is wonderful, very friendly. Before we talk about the room we're in and what we're gonna do and more about this hotel and stuff like that, let's do a room tour. It's a pretty heavy duty safe here.
I like money.
So my original intention, like most times, was to book the cheapest room available at Nobu. But when I got here, I couldn't resist the upgrade here. So just to give you an idea, the standard room is around 300 square feet. Whereas the room I'm in right now, the suite that was upgraded to for an additional $200 is 1,200 square feet. And it comes with all these extras like
I like money.
kitchen table, a private little bar area, a bunch of seating areas, a special toilet, which I'll show you in a little bit, and a steam room and all these other things. So I just thought it would be more interesting, so that's why we're here. I just don't remember the name of this specific suite, but all right, we're about to head to the food court to get a little bit of lunch and some coffee. Let's go. You guys got to see this really tiny chair I'm sitting on. Look at this. Look at this little chair. Greta, what are you doing on the chair? Okay, so if you're having trouble finding Nobu, it's a little confusing. It's right next to Cleopatra's barge and this interesting structure behind me over here. So Nobu's like, that's the structure. Nobu's like literally right here. So there you go. Hopefully that'll help you out if you're lost. So we're at the food court. It's right next to the main casino area. They got a Starbucks, ramen place. We got Smash Burger. Starbucks will follow suit naturally. Now, as most of you know, after a nice cup of coffee, sometimes you're gonna have to go to the bathroom, which brings us to our next segment, showing you guys the insane toilet they have here. Yes, a toilet. It sounds weird, but here we go. Okay, so check this out. This toilet is a smart toilet. It has a sensor, it has a heated toilet seat, and a control center right here. Yes, a bunch of buttons. A button for flush, a button for front cleaning, like a bidet cleaning, a front cleaning, a rear cleaning, different styles of cleaning, whether you want the water to be oscillating, pulsating, rinse cycle, all these different things. And then there's information here about how much pressure you want, front, back, and there's even a dryer. So after you're done cleaning, there's that. So this is something I've never seen in my life, let alone in Vegas. I didn't use those bidet options, but Greta did. How was your experience?
Honestly, it was real good. It was nice. It's easy to understand. It's got the job done, I guess. It was cool.
Do you feel awkward right now?
No.
Oh. So the fitness center and the business lounge are on the 72nd floor here. We're about to go check those out.
That's when you win more.
What? Okay, so there's nothing really down here other than the fitness center behind us, and then just a lounge area, some tables, desks, TV, benches, things like that. There's no one down here right now. All right, what's next?
Steam room?
Oh, steam room.
So this is the steam room.
All right, time for dinner. We're going to Trevi, the Italian restaurant in the Forum Shops in Caesars. Greta, let's go. We're heading home quickly for a pit stop so Greta can grab some stuff. But I just wanted to quickly mention about parking at Caesars, which is free to hotel guests, but not to non-hotel guests. You have to pay if you're not staying there. But if you are staying there, they give you a separate key card that you can swipe when you're leaving or entering. Just something unique I haven't seen at other hotels yet. Thought I should fill you in. Hello, Pepster. Alright, so we made it back. God, I love this place. It really feels more like a home than a hotel, to be honest. When you're in here, it just has this homey vibe.
I feel like usually hotel rooms will look kind of empty. I don't know, there's so much furniture and so many rooms and so many things to decorate, and the lighting is nice.
This is quickly becoming a favorite of mine, like a real favorite. Greta, what are you doing?
I'm like a cat. What's your plan now? Because it's about bedtime for me. Okay, it's late. I gotta do a little bit of work before I can sleep, and then I know I'm a little bit different than your average Vegas person, but it is what it is. I gotta keep working hard. This bed might be truly the #1 most comfortable bed I've ever slept in Vegas. I just did not want to get out of bed this morning. So one of my subscribers actually just told me that having those types of toilets are customary in Japanese and Korean culture, and then I realized, wait, Nobu is Japanese themed, so that makes perfect sense. Check out that. Japanese. That's cool. Alright, thank you. So there's a restaurant right like next to the lobby at Nobu. I think it's a Japanese restaurant and bar. It's right here. We didn't go, but we made a mistake. We definitely should have gone. It looks really amazing. Maybe next time. You know your tire's flat?
I feel it. Thank you.
Yeah, I just want to let you know.
Oh.
So I'm walking to my car and I saw this guy pulling out of his spot, and he just had a huge flat tire.
So I tried to get his attention to make sure. I don't know, I just didn't want him to start like driving on the highway, having that crazy, you know, flat tire. It's literally snowing out, guys. It's snowing out in Vegas right now. I've never seen this. That is crazy. Oh my god, that's so crazy.